Hello. Okay, if you want to rotate an object around a other object. Okay, let's do it. We need a test object, a sphere. Okay, validate it. And we need a other object as a rotation center. I choose a box and we bring the box somewhere there and reduce the division to division 1 and turn on the wireframe, it's okay, and validate the object. Now we can change the size a little bit and go back to the first object. At the bottom is a lock function. Press on lock. And at the left side, there's beneath the auto function the pivot. Now you can change the position of the pivot to the and you have to change it manually, and it's sometimes a little bit tricky because there's no snap function. I think this is the right position. And then press again and at the left side the pivot. Now the pivot is the new anchor point for the sphere. And now it's possible to rotate the sphere around the box. Okay. If you want to bring it back, I think at the left side press the local. Now local makes it orientation, and the other thing is auto. Press auto, then it jumps back to the original center. Yes, I think this is the way it works. Okay, ciao.